Hi, in this video I will show you how to cook chickpeas. We need to put for one night chickpeas in water. So I left it yesterday and now it's ready to be boiled with the pressure cooker, preferably. I am using premium quality of chickpeas. So for that we need the turmeric powder. This is turmeric powder. And of course salt. I use Himalayan salt. And small pieces of onion and 1 tomatoes into small pieces. Also I prepared meat. It gives a great flavor to the chickpeas. Any kind of meat you can prepare. So we got pressure cooker. We will use pressure cooker for faster boiling to be well done chickpeas with meat. Now the chickpeas is boiled with pressure cooker is well done. I like it well done. Now it's ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share it. Bye.